Oh, hi everybody. Welcome back. Hey, washer. That on the welding part. We're gonna be working on rock sliders, and I bought a tool. Not gonna say the brand name of it. I just hope it works, and it didn't have bad reviews on like these guys as welders, so hopefully it's good. You know. Fingers crossed. We're gonna be working on putting welding rock sliders onto my truck today. I probably shouldn't use their Chinesium thread tape, but I don't know what the heck I did with mine. Anybody else also just casually not know where the heck their thread tape went they had 5 seconds ago? Or like a few days ago? Like, cause I know I just had the thing. So I just redid all my air lines in my garage so they didn't leak, and I also added in another expansion tank. Okay, bending the bracket. That mounts too, that's good. Good sign. Bippity boppity there-ish. That worked better than expected. Okay. Get in there. Okay. What was this 37 extra feet of hose for? You know, I don't know if I have that. This kind of looks like a weird size fit, so I guess I'm gonna shove the rest of this hose into the other end of that and put a barb fitting on the end. Cause you know that won't leak or nothing. I don't know if this has a pressure display on the screen or how I'm supposed to regulate the pressure with this pressure regulator slash filter, because like I don't see a gauge, and I haven't seen a gauge in this box. I got the ground clamp, the manual that doesn't tell me shit, and the 250-pound lead. So, is that spare tip? Well, should have came with spare tips. That's nice, because I haven't plasma cut it in a long time. Shoot, it's been since high school, maybe college, maybe. Oh, I'm gonna find a barb fitting to shove in the end of that. I'll be back once I get all that put on, and then I'll get the leads put on. Then we'll fire this thing up. Alright, we're back. I got one rock slider in here that I need to cut up. I ground a little section down to... Nice! I didn't know it, because they don't list anything hardly for this on mine. Uh-oh. I thought I had it ground up. That's nice. I think I'll just grind off part of this. Then. They didn't list hardly any information for this, but evidently it's got 10-foot leads on it. Let's sit here welding. Hold on, I don't want promise. Alright, was this a good purchase? Seems to do different other things. Plasma coating. Wow, that goes for Wyatt. I don't know what you're screaming about, but shut up. Thank you. Alright, here we go. Try it out. That's it all the way through? No. I'll be back once I figure this thing out some more. Well, so far I got one bracket cut off. And so far, I hate this thing. As advertised, it's supposed to do, what was it? 3/10 on 110. Well, we're a quarter. And I had to make a lot of passes on that. And I tripped the breaker twice. So I guess maybe it'll work better when it's closer. Not like my tip's all dirty and crap. This thing's really kind of pissed me off though. It's also super loud. Nope, we didn't put all the way through. And there goes the breaker again. Hit it with a hammer. Nope. Oh, I guess I'll go reset the breaker again. Oh. It's now on to cut. I mean, I did get 2 deals cut off, but it was a struggle. And my breaker isn't happy. So I might try it more later tonight, but that'll be it for this video because I'm frustrated. So till next week. Oh, also it's not one to cut through the quarter, and I've bumped the pressure up to like 90 with it in operating mode, so 90 psi. It says it's supposed to do it at 50, so you know, there's that. I'm a little annoyed. Alright, this was Mike. I'll see y'all next Wednesday.